I know, right? Who's that person on my screen? It's been a minute since I've actually sat down and chatted with y'all face to face. Normally I just like start right into the video and all you see is hands doing the things. But you know what? It's a new year. It's a new craft room. I don't know if you guys saw, but I finally got my craft room nice and organized, so I don't have to be so embarrassed about how my craft room looks behind me, because if you're anything like me, if somebody's doing a tutorial on my screen and they've got just craziness going on in the background, I'm not even paying attention to what they're doing. I'm just like focusing on what in the world is going on behind that person's head in the background. Lord mercy. Yeah, well, my craft room is finally organized. I don't know if you saw my video of the before and after, but I finally took the plunge and got the dream box from Create Room Company. So if after a few months of having it, if you guys want me to do a review, I can totally do that. But right now, for what it's worth, like from what I've garnered so far, because I've had it for about 3 weeks now, worth every penny. Hallelujah. If I can just tell you how nice it is to walk into my craft room and not die falling over things, worth it. Worth it. Anywho, let's get down to the project. Today we're gonna be making a Valentine's Day tumbler. We made this super cute tray in my mentorship group last year, so I thought I would do a tumbler, pretty much the same design, just on a tumbler. So we're gonna be doing a Valentine's Day design, and I thought it'd be fun to do an anti-Valentine's Day design as well. So same tumbler, just different kind of meaning to it. One's lovey-dovey, one is like, get away, get away. To start, I'm gonna be using a Hog 30 ounce Slim Tumbler. I'm not sure if she still has these or not, but I've already sanded it, I've already prepped it, and it is ready to go. I just did white Rust-Oleum spray paint, and Lord, y'all, it is colder than a nudist on an iceberg outside right now in Maryland. I'm in Maryland. It's now Monday, January 15th, Martin Luther King's birthday, and it's cold, okay? It's cold. So my spray paint has dripped, but you know what? That's okay, because we'll be covering this up with more paint to go under our glitters. I'm gonna be doing the same, pretty much the same colors that you saw on my tray. Is it upside down? No. Is it upside down? Anyways, the same colors. I'll be doing the green, the blue, the purples, the pinks, the oranges, the yellows. So to know where those colors are exactly on my tumbler, I'm going to be painting first. So I'm gonna be doing blue with blue, green where I want my green, yellow where I want my yellow, pink where I want my pink, so on and so forth. I'm just gonna be doing circles on my tumbler just so I know where I want my hearts to be. You can skip this step if you just want to pop the glitter on, but I want to add some color underneath just to make the colors pop, give a little poppy. I'll be using these colors from PDB Creator Studio. I'll be sure to post the names of them as I go along on the tumbler. But I've got Pretty Wicked, Capella, Hazard, Hella Cute, Moonies, and I'll also be using Oasis. But if you don't have these colors, because I didn't check the PDB website to see if these colors were still in stock, because Suzanne, if the color isn't selling, she just gets rid of it. And so I really need to update my glitter colors. But if these colors are not available, use whatever colors you have on hand. In fact, you don't have to use the same colors that I'm using. Use whatever colors you like. And I think that's pretty much it. So without further ado, let's do it. I'll be using the epoxy method to apply my glitters and have already applied a thin coat of epoxy, but you can apply your glitter however you like and is easiest for you.
For the anti-Valentine's Day tumbler, I went darker using jewel tones instead of the brighter, neon-y glitters of the Valentine's Day tumbler. Now before people get upset, here I am measuring my circles to see how big I need to make my hearts, measuring for you, y'all, because y'all know eyeballing is my jam. So after measuring, I deduced that I need to make my hearts between 2 to 3 inches wide. I didn't worry about the length, just the width. Before I add my stencils, I'm going to go ahead and clean my rim and sand it so it's nice and smooth. We'll be using a holographic glitter in a bit, and just like with holographic vinyl, that bumpy rim will show if it's not smooth. I'll also give the tumbler itself a quick sanding to remove any bumps. When I finish applying my hearts, I'll be spray painting my Valentine's Day tumbler with a light pink and dark pink around the top and bottom. For my anti-Valentine's Day, I use purples. Let your paint dry, then you'll be ready to apply your glitter. Because we'll be doing the tack it method to apply the glitter, no glue on your stencils is necessary. I mean, unless you want to, but because the glitter will be pressed super flat, you can see the stencil outlines. When I was all done, I sealed with a clear sealer, then sealed with a coat of epoxy, and I absolutely added more glitter to this layer. I used the mixed size version of Hypnotic for some extra sparkle, and it looks so pretty. But as always, you don't have to, but you know, do it anyway, okay? Just do it. I sealed with another coat of epoxy to make sure my tumbler was nice and smooth for my holographic vinyl, and then I was ready for the next step.
Decal day! Yay! Okay, so we have two options for our anti-Valentine's Day tumbler. I think I'm gonna do the decals around the hearts, and I'm gonna do an actual decal on here. I have a cute one that says "Not Today, Cupid." It's in my Etsy shop if you guys wanna get it. But I think I'll do that one because I have like this big space right here that I totally missed. I don't know how I missed it, but I missed a pretty big space there. So we're gonna stick a decal right there. But on this one, I think I'm just gonna put the decals on the hearts, no saying at all, just leave it as is. So of course I'm gonna be extra. So I have a outline and a decal for the hearts themselves. I also have it for the anti-Valentine's Day, but I don't think I'm gonna do it for that. Since I'm gonna have a saying on here, I think I'm just gonna put the decals around the hearts, add the saying, call it good. But this one, we'll go a little extra with it since we're not gonna have a decal on it. Well, a saying on it. We're gonna have decals, just not a saying. All right, let's get it done. Decal day. Yay.
Okay fam, I went ahead and added almost all my vinyl decals, but I left a couple so you can see what I did. For one of my last epoxy coats, I added Bubblicious, which is the perfect Valentine's Day glitter, y'all. It has these super cute little hearts that match with these cups perfectly. So adorable.
The end is near. All right, guys, I have gone ahead and I have finished up this tumbler. I added the decal. Stinking cute. It's like the decal was made for that little open spot that we had right there. So that worked out perfectly. And I'm loving like the moodiness of this tumbler. But what's funny is that I also think that if you wanted to, you could do the anti-Valentine's Day words or whatever you want to call them or sayings on them on this one as well, and it would be like a little cheeky way because people would be like, oh my gosh, such a pretty tumbler, can I see what it says? And they'll see all of like the anti-Valentine's Day stuff on there. That'd be hilarious. That'd be hilarious. So you could put the anti-Valentine's Day on this on this design too. That'd be funny. It'll be funny. All right, so right now all we have to do is do the bottoms of the tumblers. Now we do not have a lot of real estate, so I'll probably do something really super simple. Maybe some mica powders, using my foil glue, add some mica powders on there. Use some more of the Hypnotic glitter and go get you some, you guys. This one, the Fine, is not going to be discontinued, but the chunky, mixed chunky that's disappeared off my, oh wait, hold. This one is going to be discontinued. So if you want to get it now because Suzanne's like, hey, it's not selling, so it's going away. Grab 5, 50, 100 bottles if you can. I don't know why. It's such a pretty glitter. It's such a pretty glitter. Y'all need to go give that glitter some love. Maybe she'll keep it. But this one is safe. The Fine is safe, but not the chunky, but the mixed size is gonna be discontinued. And I'm sorry if I sound stuffy. One of my little typhoid Mary children has gotten me sick. I'm trying to fight it, and I shall prevail in the name of Jesus. If you watched my videos before, I like to use Counterculture DIY's UV resin to seal my bottoms or to do my bottoms. A super quick way to do it. I take them right outside to cure. They cure fast in the sun, and it's a cold but sunny day outside, so I'll just set them outside to cure. Counterculture DIY is currently having a 25% off sale on all of their resin on their website. Use my code right here for an extra 10% off. So say $100 for a thing of resin, it goes down to $75. Use my 10% code, another $7.50 comes off, and that turns into $67.50. So that's a huge savings. So go buy you some. If you've ever wanted to try it, now is definitely a time to do it. Okay, that's enough of that. Let's go ahead and finish these bottoms and then we'll be all done.
Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. Let me know what you guys think of my new video look and be prepared to be sick of seeing me in my videos now. A huge thank you to all of my mentorship and channel members. Your support is literally everything. Have fun making your Valentine's and anti-Valentine's Day tumblers, and I'll see you again next time.